Hey, Lou Santiago from Garage Insider TV. Now, I've been seeing, I go on YouTube now a lot because, that's where I'm putting stuff, so it only makes sense to watch. And I was watching this video the other day. This guy bought himself the Harbor Freight U.S. General, cart, like that one, like this one on the floor. And the instructions tell you to put it together from the bottom up. And when we did this one of the guys at the school that I part-time teach at, he said, don't do it like that. Stand it up on end and we'll put it together. And basically we built it from the top up. So I got the legs on this one, and I found it so much easier to do it this way because honestly, I'd never put together a tool cart. I just never had a reason to. We did it this way. We got the front legs on like I already have, and then we just spun it over like this, left everything a little loose so it can move around, and then you open up the lid, do your legs, flip it back on the other side, and then all you have to fight with literally is putting the bottom on. But it's easy because when you're done, you just stand it up on end. So this is how I'm going to do mine. And maybe one of you guys will say, hey, that's not such a bad idea. Because this one guy I was watching, nice blue cart, and he went to put it on there and his wife or girlfriend was holding it and it slipped right through. You spend $256 on one of these things and then you damage it and you haven't even put a tool in it. It's kind of concerning. So this is how I'm doing mine. Oh, here, I'm going to let Jerry get a couple of shots while I get the bars. Now, mind you, I'm going to leave everything loose on this until I get it up on its wheels, and then I'll tighten it all up. Just makes it easier that way. I would just lock it. This way it doesn't flop around and bend the top, because you're going to flip it one more time. That's what I would do. Move this all back out of the way. Let's put it right here. Wait. Got to unlock it so you can get to the leg, of course. It makes perfect sense. It's right behind Jerry. Jerry's hiding it. Run away. My God, I had a moment. on her. Okay, as you can see, it went together pretty easy. Now all I gotta do is tighten everything up, put the handle on, and I'm actually gonna debate what side I'm gonna put the handle on because I'm gonna put a side box on it next, but I'm not gonna bother you guys with that. But realistically, the only thing you have left to do is tighten it up, stand it up on its wheels, and put the handle on. So I just wanted to show you guys how I did it the first time so you could see there's another way to do it and you don't have to manhandle everything. Because in some cases, you're by yourself. You know, I mean, I got Jerry with me, but Jerry's holding the camera. Who's gonna show it if he puts it down? It doesn't make sense. So, next time, Lou Santiago, Garage Insider TV, out. Later, bye. I'm gonna tighten this up.